Okay.
That's me never sleep with her. That was the only lie me that tell her.
Say what?
Say me never sleep with her. Because that eat me alive. Me don't know how to tell you. That was the only lie me that tell
But
you.
you protect her, you wait until she gone, you tell me. But me glad still because maybe mother they are jail right now.
I mean, why you got out jail?
You said the girl a suck your hood.
Yeah, she sucked me wood. She sucked me wood and me come in her mouth. That's the only come in her. That's God.
That's why you not keep reinfecting her. So me make the appointment for that me gynecologist for her and she go. She get the medicine, me pick up the medicine for her. Treat her. Right? She better. But you already infected and me blood clot are rotten every time me go a doctor. Doctor treat me for yeast infection and BV and no bacteria them me have. The blood clot bacteria them in my pussy now no blood clot name. In down blood clot know why you have to run fucking blood test and shit. Right? Cause the girl have the bacteria in her pussy so long she start leak blood and blood clot pus. And he call me in a bathroom and pushing finger in her pussy and show blood clot me. And me tell you that. And you still fuck the blood clot girl raw.
No, babe, me stop fuck her long before that, you know. Me stop fuck her long before that.
But you get here already because she won't have it. She come here with the infection, you know. Her body get bad and spread to her urinary tract and go her bladder and make sure they leak pus and blood. Now me have blood that come out of me kind of reach a pus stage. And me treat myself for blood clot, bacteria, vaginosis and yeast infection. Me can't blood clot better because I don't that me have a whatever you take up for Anika. And you keep throwing off me pH. Every time you fuck her, you throw off me pH and guess what? Me come downstairs and call her and say, girl, come here. Raymond fuck somebody because he throw off me pH, my pussy, I scratch me and it smell. And he say, man terribly, man a dog. Man really terrible. And in my blood clot, oh, see girl, I fuck you and I suck your cock. And make you come in our blood clot mouth. You're not even going to tell me say you come in our mouth. Because what she do, she try to suck you away from me, but she don't know say you can't get her no green card. I know you should be sucked. She can't suck no green card out of you. But what she do is try outdo me. Because me have my 2-story blood clot house, my fat fuck truck. Me buy you a blood clot car, me I get ready to up my salon and a blood clot restaurant. So little fly pussy girl love to blood clot compete with that. And then she still a deny it. Can't only because she's a pathological liar. So when he tell me say, him brother we dead. Him big brother we dead, him glad because him brother when I fuck him when him a 8. Brother when I molest him and him tell him mother and him mother dumb blood clot do nothing about it. She have up her mother. She call her mother bitch my youth. You know see how kind of smother and up on Facebook a laugh and king teeth and pan blood clot Instagram. For make people think say indecent and stush. They don't even know say girl pussy a rat out and a slut. First night in go with Jazzy fuck that. And Jazzy wear blood clot condom. 28-year-old single man in America yeah, wear blood clot condom. And you push out in a blood clot Nika raw make me sick. You need to push out in a not all. You need to touch blood clot that because you know say girl sick.
Blood clot, blood clot. That is why I feel so fucked up. And
look how girl bash up your family. I saw that the pussy ain't worthy. Available. They available. And after you fuck her, she run go on her date. The boy say when him a fuck. Whatever, me no business.
Me know you no business. But
the boy say pussy wet and slappy and come like somebody does fuck her done.
Not me.
Are you and him when there? But whatever, me not care. You fuck him in a basement and you come down here in the night when me sleep, come knock him door and fuck him. Where you say at me in a basement? You down there shave and what happened? Tell me, what happened?
A long before I come because I over there. So.
Over the other part, right. But, where happened? So I go now with Adria stay, you fuck him. In the big part of the salon where we when I do here. Yeah. A back shot again?
Yeah, and then I just push him down and come up for one.
What make you fuck him back way and then push him?
Push him out before me come and just wipe out my cocky. But I don't feel right. I don't in the dog job. I just come up.
A dog that in a girl now no shame if one man fuck me and push me. Although me don't know. Me not think you lie about that still because you sound and look very genuine, but boy, that girl there, the girl rotten here, man. The girl rotten to the ground. Come in at my house, eat my food, live rent free. My classmate call me from high school and say, put her up for me. Give her a bus, she's a victim of rape. She ain't living in my house. Poor girl don't even know, say Nika up here reminisce on her blood clot husband. Girl used to fuck the woman husband in her woman house. Me suspect, you remember me tell her say girl in a daydream I wash plate, but oh my daddy, I miss my daddy. Big blood clot 23-year-old girl. And the woman pick him up and help him and he say love the man more than love the woman. And he say you remind him of the man. So that's why me a blood clot tell you. You have to take sleep mark that. You have to watch them little girl. Me give the girl the benefit of the doubt. Me tell them say me no want no little girl now. I want big woman for me baby stack and me know say shit like this can't happen. But me desperate and me don't have no blood clot body of foreign. That's why me take the girl to blood clot. And I diss the girl come blood clot. I feed her for free. House her. Buy her blood clot, cologne, all kinds of shit. Look out for me, make sure so me tell him say pussy stinks so my client they not dead. Make appointment finger that can call blood clot Uber for him. Make him go a doctor. Cause me no want if he fuck up my money in my salon. You fuck up my money and you fuck up yourself. Cause guess what? And you lose. Look at me. Me feel good, my heart clean, my conscience clear. You understand? Babe. You say Nika suck your caca, you come in her mouth?
Come in, I only come.
So all 3 times when you fuck her, you come in her, she could suck your cock?
No, 2 times she could suck my cock. But me never, the first time me never make him, me just done tap him and come out. And the next time he suck my cock and me just come in her mouth.
Wow. Well, listen. You can't use wrong to justify nothing. But me glad your blood clot tell me because me feel the vibe. You know, see a girl in here give me bad vibe. Cause girl a fuck you so a girl a torment me in my house. I saw one of my clients tell me every time she come get her boyfriend here done because she has 52 and her boyfriend at 24 or 28. So every time they come, Nika want fuck the boy, Nika terrorize the woman. After she left the woman, she tell me when she there. I saw you went in here terrorize me and me try to give her the benefit I don't and to see for that she I don't say, why anytime you come around the girl face bakes up and look so? Why she a going so? Me say no, me a put her. When Kenisha come now?
Maybe the reason why, cause you always tell me that, but me not, cause me not look for him, cause me not pay no mind, and me just want to out of my space. Maybe that's why.
In bed, so start show bad face, and make me see it and me glad. So when Kenisha come now, you understand? They lick head. Every time they go a shop and come back a bad vibe, then lock up in a room, avoid me 10 chance. When me out there so I talk to Kenisha and Nika come out of the room, Kenisha stop talk to me and I look upon Nika like she a show Nika say, yeah, you are my friend and you are my loyal to. You know? Then start with that shit. Kenisha when me know from baritone, from she a little girl. Help her in a pageant, gear talent piece. When me go to Kenisha, me say, Kenisha, me I feel bad vibes in her house. Me don't like it, me uncomfortable. Kenisha blaze up to blood clot like she want to fight me. And me and Kenisha don't have anything. What could have fucking caused that? What?
The
way you Kenisha blow upon me in a female blood clot, also me stand up on my foot and work. 16 bumbo clot hours for. Me no sell no pussy, me no suck no cocky, and me don't lick out no body of foreign. Me stand up on my foot. Long blood clot hours and braid here and twist bumbo clot dreadlock. Name hot dog and save me pussy clot money. And buy me 2-story bumbo clot building. Free and fucking clear. Furnish this bitch. Not gonna say you didn't help me with any money, but hey, this is my shit. This is my name only on this motherfucker call me a stupid ass bitch. I'm glad that some in blood clot do it. Yeah? So the girl so come out of your caca, drink your cum. Fi outdo me in my house. You must tell her say you go left me fear because of that man do when they want pussy and then he fly up in the woman them head. So then start do extra. Yeah? Me suck your cocky, but I don't drink fucking sperm. And me can't suck your cocky till you come, because me a Jamaican. And that's true because you're my husband, that made your little head. You understand? Me don't love blood clot head. Me love wine pan cocky and quink me bumbo clot pussy. So I know bad pussy you a get. It's just that when pussy is available and it's right there, a man will take it. Me give the girl the benefit I don't. Me know so things like this can't me no naive. But me say sometime when you bust and come a foreign and make it in a life, you have to help the next young person.